So hello everyone, welcome back to Engineering Lab channel. So I am Kiran, and on this channel we build a real world agent, AI agent using a Microsoft Copilot Studio solution, Azure application, MCP server, and enterprise automation project that you can use in your day-to-day work. So if you are passionate about engineering and want to learn how to build a practical AI solution from scratch, you are in the right place. So I publish a brand new video every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 10 a.m. So make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you will never miss an update. So in my previous video, we learned what's an AI agent, how to be your first AI agent in Microsoft Copilot Studio, and how to be Azure DevOps AI assistant that automatically generated test cases using AI. So if you haven't watched those video yet, I will leave the link in the description below. They provide a great foundation and will help you get even more value from this tutorial. So today we are going to build another practical AI agent that many software teams can start using immediately. So and it is an AI meeting minutes agent. This agent can analyze the meeting transcript and automatically generate a professional meeting summary, action item, decision, risk, and even the details of the next meeting. So the best part here is we'll build everything from scratch within the Microsoft Copilot Studio with no coding and without any external softwares. So let's get started. So after saying so before we start building, let me quickly show you the final result. So I will paste the things transcript here, and within a few seconds, our AI agent generates a professional meeting summary, action item, decision, risk, and next meeting schedule. So once you have seen the final outcome, I will show you exactly how to build it from the scratch. So let's go to the Copilot Studio. So here I already created one agent, Copilot Studio in Copilot Studio. The name of the agent is Meetings of Minute, and I already provided one description here. So an AI assistant that covers meeting transcript into professional minutes meeting, right? Here already I get the models. So here I'm going to use Cloud 4.6, and these are the instructions I have provided. So if you don't know how to create an agent from scratch, then you can refer my previous video tutorial. So there I have already mentioned all these things. So in this agent, we are not going to add any tool to generate the script. Instead of we are going to use topic. So here we are going to create a new topic that that will interact with the user, that will ask user what do you want from the agent. Then agent will ask some question to the user like not the question, it is going to ask user to provide the transcript of the meeting. For that you are going to generate the MOM. So after getting this transcript, this agent will convert it into the minutes of meeting. So let's start creating it. So to create a new topic, you just have to click on this add a topic button and create this from blank. Okay, so this is the trigger of this topic. Before that, we have to set up the topic name. So here we are going to set up a topic name as what is a minute within which generator. Generate. Okay. So then in the trigger, we have to keep the agent trigger as the agent choose, and in here you have to provide the you have to describe what the topic was. Like okay, so here I'm providing a script the instruction to this topic, like when I just provide the meeting note or meeting transcript, summarize the discussion and produce meeting summary, participant, key discussion point, decision made, action item, risk, and open question, and the next meeting, uh, next meeting action. Okay. So after that, just have to click on Save button. Okay. So after this trigger phase, you have to ask some question to the user. So for that, you just have to click on this plus icon and you have to click on this ask question button. And here you have to put the question that you want to ask the user. Then here I'm going to ask user to paste the your meeting transcript. Okay. And here you have to change this identify as a user entire response. Okay. Then you have to store it in some variable. So for that, I'm going to use a variable name as a meeting transcript. Okay. And just have to click on the save button. Then after that, to process the user transcript, we have to create the one prompt, and that prompt is going to convert this user response into desired output. Okay. So for that, just click on this plus icon. Then you will see added tool option. Click on that, and below that you will see a new prompt option. Okay. So click on that. Then click on this expand tab, and here you have to provide your instructions. So I already save it in my notepad. Save the time. I'm going to copy it from there. So okay, so these are the instruction. Your expense project manager analyze the following meetings transcript and generate a professional meeting minutes. So these are the inputs provided by the user, and it is going to generate the output in this format. Okay, meeting summaries, participants, key discussion points, decision made, action items, and all these things. Okay, and we also have to define this variable. We have to provide this variable to this group. So for that, just have to click on this add content text, and here you have to provide the what was the name of that meeting. Okay. Okay. Then click on close icon, and after that, just remove this basis and change the model. So I'm going to select Sonnet Forward 6 here. Just click on save icon. Then, so whenever user provide the input, team tagging is going to pass to this prompt, and this prompt will generate the response in our desired format. Okay. So here we have to choose this meeting transcript, and to store this prompt response, we are going to create one more variable. So click on new variable on this, and here to store the variable, I'm going to select variable like when it's meeting response. Okay, and just click on the save icon. So after this step, you have to add one send a message node here. So after generating this response, this node is going to help this agent to paste those generated output in this test bed in the agent. Okay, so for that you have to write something like your meetings of minutes, and there you have to add the variable, this one, meetings of make response. So for that you have to select the text response. Okay, now click on that and just click on save icon. Now our agent is ready to generate a meetings minute. So for that, just I'm going to test it. So just say hi. Okay. So how can I? So I'm going to ask agent to generate the Phillips. So now it's asking a user, please provide paste your meetings transcript below. So I already have one transcript for a demo purpose. So I'm going to paste it here. Okay. After that, you just click on the it's more than 2000 character. So let me do this. Okay. Now just click on the send icon. Now this transcript, this is what this agent will do. It will read this transcript and send it to the prompt for the processing. Okay. Yeah. On the Microsoft meeting. So on this response, you can see the meeting summary. Along with that, where the participant, the key discussion point. Along with that, what are the discussion made during the activity? What are the action items? And what are the risk involved in that? What are the open question? Okay. So, as I mentioned earlier, I'm using a free trial version of Copilot Studio. So I can't publish this version, but you can publish it by clicking on this publish icon, and after that your teammate can access this agent from your Teams or Copilot 365. Okay, and we can add one more enhancement in this agent, like if you want to send this minutes of meeting to any particular person, then you can add a one tool here in the agent, like to send this response to the stakeholders. So for that, you just have to add on connector, send email. Okay, just click on this, share an email. Here we have to choose the connection. I'm going to choose Engineering Lab. This is the Outlook connection. Okay. Now click on the configure. Okay. So after that, you have to provide some input to this connector. So here I'm going to keep this to as dynamic. So it will send this response to the user provided email ID. Subject will be dynamic and the body also keeping it dynamic. Okay. To that you just test it. So mm, me to send this we can mix. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Set up to 6. That okay. So now it should send this response to on this email ID. Let's see if we got. Okay. Yeah, just have to provide your permission. Here you can see it has generated one HTML report to send it on the email. And this will be the subject of that method. And okay, so it's saying that Microsoft meeting for the sprint by the review has been successfully sent, and here are the quick summary of the email. So it's sent to the this email address. Subject is this. ICT is. So let's check the Outlook. Still not there. Okay, so it might take some time. So this way you can send this email to the uh, required stakeholders. Okay, so that's it for the today's demo. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, suggestions, or if you want to see demo on any specific topic, please let me do it update in a comment. So I will try to cover it in my upcoming videos. And please like, share, and subscribe to my channel so that you will get update once I upload a new video on every Thursday, Tuesday, and Saturday. Yeah. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.